Hey, come here. What's going on, YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold, back at you with another video, daily vlogs. Not really daily vlogs, but daily posts. So today is actually just gonna be a vlog, so a day in a life vlog, I guess we could say. But right now we're watching our baby nephew Theo, and we're gonna take him to the skate park. I'm gonna do a little bit of skateboarding, and yeah, just kind of hang out. That's what we're doing today.
We're gonna try to get him to nap, honestly.
Yeah. So that's gonna be the vlog. Hope you guys enjoy.
You look so grumpy at the end. Alright, you want another puff?
We're all set. Kristina's got the backpack. We got our coffees, all of Theo's stuff. We got Theo and some more of his stuff.
Snacks and food.
We got me and some of my stuff in there. We got a lot of stuff. Gotta grab my skateboard downstairs. Right now, you're gonna have to carry Theo. And
I got the baby.
But yeah, we're gonna be at the skate park. Okay, we got a GoPro set up to get some type of shot. And yeah, this guy's cutting his lawn so you can't hear me, but we're off. So we're almost there, guys, but we're at a pretty cool spot. It's over this bridge. Really cool biker, really cool. So yeah, we're really close to the skate park now. Only sweating. Yeah, it's really hot out.
And I'm pulling a wagon that weighs 50 pounds.
Yeah, heavy baby.
No, just kidding.
But yeah, this is a cool spot. It'd be cool to get artsy up here, but we're going to the skate park.
Skate park.
All right, so we have made it. I might get some cool skateboarding shots. I might not. I'm gonna skate around for a bit and just have some fun, and then I'll let you guys know. Alright, we just got out from the skate park. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Yeah, I'd show you, but it's on her butt. Smash that like button if you guys are enjoying this. Theo, don't throw your chips away. So, pretty much we're gonna get to home, well, his house, and then we're gonna go home. So I don't know if there's gonna be much from this, but we'll definitely wrap it up when we're at his house. So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And yeah, we're enjoying it. It's a Monday.
I should have worn shorts.
Yeah, it's hot. You can see I'm sweating. We're both sweating. But we're having a great time. had a fun time at the skate park. I got stung by a bee actually.
Trying to save it.
There was one on Theo's arm, so she swiped it away, and then I went to kill it, and it stung my finger. So, but that's where we're at. We're headed home.
We should go run around.
Hey, I don't think the water's going.
I know, but I didn't know to skate.
No. But yeah, it's about a 20-minute walk, 25-minute walk. Just dragging it out now.
Vegan cheese puffs.
Baby Theo. He's the vegan baby. Hashtag vegan baby down below. Yay! We're back home, buddies.
Not good.
What's not good?
No diapers for me.
Oh, Theo, we have no diapers for you. Just kidding, Kristina will find some. But, Theo, we're home. What are you going for? Ah, you're going for the GoPro. Yeah. So like I said, we're just gonna hang out with him now, and then we're gonna go home and we're gonna wrap this up. So, we'll be back in just a second. Okay, so we're back home now, and we're just gonna wrap up this vlog. We're gonna end it here. Thank you guys again for watching. We really appreciate you all making our dreams come true. Shout out to MTV Texas Bike Rider. He's riding and donating to diabetes, so that's really cool.
Insane.
So shout out to you. Shout out to everybody watching. We really appreciate you all. Make sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if you got any love. And until tomorrow, till next video, till next live stream. Peace! Peace, guys. Go crush it.